Good morning, y'all. Anthony here. Yeah, the racetrack just hopped off my truck. I'm gonna go to mom's house up for a load up and stuff out of the yard, but alright. It's a storm. It's a hurricane. You live in Florida. You knew the consequences when you moved here. Really, all you go flipping out half these gas station out, so I'm gonna go to mom's house to make my wife happy. I'm gonna grab the generator, some can of gas, and top it off. Because, hey, why would you put yourself in a predicament if you're not prepared for what's coming? It's like natural disasters happen everywhere. Do the research before you move. People are running because of all the crap that saw happen in Georgia and North Carolina and all the destruction that's been going on lately. And everyone knows, if you ever read the Bible, you know this is happening. This is going to happen. Like, people keep neglecting what has already been foretold and prophesied for a long time. Everything you want to know that's going to happen in your life or happen in this world is written in the Bible. Read the Bible, study the Bible, follow the principles of the Bible, and you'll have a happy, glorious life. But anyways, if you're not going to prepare, at least have the necessary arrangements prepared. Like I said, I got a generator, I got gas, I just got to go get the generator from mom's house and help her pack up some of the stuff over there, because people are hoarders and they got a bunch of crap flying. They can fly around, which ain't gonna be good because there's gonna be a lot of wind. But hey, prep, make things happen. Subscribe to my channel, like these videos, send those videos, follow me, share this video with the loved ones that need to hear the fact that you get what you prepare for. You get what you think about. What you think about is what comes about. So think positive. Be optimistic. Have a lovely life and prepare for life to get worse. Because it's been prophesied, like I said, once again by the Bible. It's going to get worse, y'all. Be great. Follow along.